Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to easily access a free trial of the Cloud Sigma VPS server. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow techies, and of course, subscribe for more insightful content. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing Cloud Sigma's site. To begin, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Cloud Sigma website. Simply type in the URL and hit enter. Step 2. Free trial. Once you're on the homepage, spot the Instant Access label. Click on it to claim your 1-hour free trial. However, here's a pro tip. For a more extended trial period of 7 days, provide a valid email address and complete the verification process. Step 3. Customizing server now. Let's tailor your server to meet your specific needs. Choose your desired server CZ, including CPU core, RAM size, and storage. Afterward, hit the Next button to proceed. Step 4. Selecting the operating system. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to select the operating system. Pick from popular options like Debian, Ubuntu, or CentOS. For this demonstration, I've chosen Ubuntu. Click Create to move on to the next step. Step 5. Server creation. Patience is a virtue. Wait a moment as your server is being created. Once it's ready, you'll be provided with essential details like the username, password, and IP address. Make sure to copy these details for future reference. Step 6. Exploring new server. If you're unsure how to use on HTTP custom, don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out the video linked in the description below for a comprehensive guide on utilizing your Cloud Sigma VPS server. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to access the power of Cloud Sigma's VPS server for free. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.